All right, guys, we got a two-tone, half lime green, half black, with a nice red streak in the middle. 2019 Dodge Charger V6 SXT. He's been watching our videos all the way from Georgia, somewhere in Georgia. So he's working down at the airport, and he said, I'm bringing it down. So he did. So we appreciate him coming down. Factory converter, wise into a single. He watched this video we did about a year ago for a FLOWMASTER Outlaw. So he's like, I want that on mine. I said, we got you, man. We'll hook you up. So it's got a FLOWMASTER part number 15430S right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then it wires back out into duals when we did a rear delete there and there. So as you guys can see, it's all nice and done. There's the two rear resonators that were on it. And there's the muffler that was on it. Muffler, two resonators. So we took all those off and cleaned it up for him, made him sound good. There you guys can see the two-tone a little bit better. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So hit that subscribe. So we're gonna call her the two-face Charger by Dodge. Which face do you like? Green or black? Let me know. It's got FLOWMASTER Outlaws on it. Let's do it on the Mercedes. Give it that tone. Two-face green. Then you go over here and it's black. Very nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. '19 Dodge Charger SXT V6. I like how we did the door handles green. That's cool. Sounds good.